Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday and welcome to week 6 of our Halloween Memory Decks card series that I'm hosting along with Armin, Happy Mail Queen. And this week we're super excited. We have another special crafty guest joining us. It is Dina, and she is This Mama Loves Disney here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So thank you so much, Dina, for agreeing to be our guest this week. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to see what both Dina and Armin have created. So this week the theme is Disney villains, and I thought that was so fun. I went with Snow White and the Evil Queen, and I was happy to dust off my Cricut machine and create this little shaker crown memory decks card in Design Space. So I just found an image online and fussed with it on Design Space and created this little shaker. I cut the outline in gold and I just added tulle and filled it with these really pretty gold sequins. Added a little pink bling here at the top. And I printed out the sentiment. It says fairest of them all, and added Nouveau dots, some black stitching around the bottom. I found another image of the poison apple, so I printed that on pink cardstock and added like diamond glaze to the icing to make it shiny, some little diamond dots in the eyes, and then I backed it with these little sequins that are shaped like spider webs. So that's my first card. It looks a little smaller, but it actually does measure 4 inches from these points and about 3 3/4 to the top. So I thought it was cute. And then I made this one here, which I think is my favorite. I ended up using for this crown, it's actually the inner part of the shaker that was cut out. So I just did some stitching around the crown there, and I popped it up in the middle to give it like a little curve. Added this little heart, some gold Nouveau drops there, little spider with bling, and then an eyelet to hang some charms there. And then I've been really wanting to get this die out and use it. I think it's from KS Craft. I'm not positive, so I'll link the information in the description box below. But it's so cute, and I have been seeing a few other people creating with it. And it makes a little shaker candy apple. So cute. So I cut the apple out in the black shiny cardstock, and then just made the shaker there. I printed out another one of the little poison apples and did the same thing with the glossy accents and added the little bow. And I did add a layer of tulle with the gold spider webs here, and that came from Dollar Tree. And then some gold bling here, and then my little dangles here. So this one's a little skull, which I thought was perfect, and then just some pink and black little beads there. So that's my second card. I kind of wanted to add another sentiment that said mirror mirror somewhere on here, but I didn't want to really cover anything else up, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this. So those are my 2 cards. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you're enjoying our little series. Please join us for next week. Week 7 will be chunky layered memory decks cards. And again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, for watching, and please let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.